Asuntoskeittiö Robertius.
I love this panel.
Yeah.
All the Kone logo on it.
Yeah.
But it's a bit green, but or maybe everybody could expect. It's a beautiful. It's just, this is not so bad.
Yeah.
And it's on Iso Roobertinkatu Robertsgatan 35 to 37, staircase A. But only the staircase B and C later, maybe because the rest has been added too late.
Yeah.
Probably back upstairs. But maybe we can see it from the garden.
Yeah.
It was built in 1927, revised in 2021, and is in British H6 to 9 with 6 floors. Should have been stopped in Swedish instead. Yeah. Oh, look at that, the upside down should have been inspected in 2023.
Yeah.
Or it will be inspected, but it's in both official languages on the back one.
Yeah.
Oh, so they added a floor here.
Yeah.
In a 6-5. I want to see the door.
Yeah.
It's different. Yeah. Very interesting, really.
Yeah.
And that beautiful and you can see it does the machine.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Also, there's the green button here. That's round. I haven't seen it so often. At least not on the newest stuff.
Yeah. Inspekteert that maintained by Kone.
Yeah. The old butter panel was here before.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's